Okay, I just got here in my car from Ulta and I bought a lot of goodies. I bought some of those Duck Plump things that everybody's been talking about.
The new NYX Duck.
We're gonna try the new NYX Cosmetic
NYX Duck Plump.
I've been so excited to try the NYX.
What the duck is this?
So I'm gonna try them out. So first I'm gonna swatch them on me. So this one is the Bubblegum Bae. That's Bubblegum Bae. So they have some that are just glosses and some that are like pigmented. Like that one is very pigmented. This one is Mocha Me Crazy. Mocha Me Crazy. The next one is, Hall of Fame. There was another one that was red like this. This one is more glossy. Well, no, I think this is the one. Now, this is the one that's more pigmented. There's one that's more glossy. But I was like, we can make pigmented glossy, but you can't make glossy pigmented. So I went with the pigmented. And this one is Twice the Spice. Twice the Spice. Now, the lady in Ulta, she said these were some of her favorites when I was checking out, because she said that they last a long time. And she said they tingle. Now, I'm not getting them for the plump. I'm getting them because I like to tingle. So this one is clear. This one is called Clearly Spicy. And it's just clear. So now I got some lip liners that I thought would go good with them. So let's try them out. Okay, never mind. I don't feel like trying to open those up. So the first one I'm gonna put on is Bubblegum Bae. Let's just see. Keep in mind, I don't have any liner or anything. It's super pigmented. It is. I look a little crazy. Might have put too much on. Maybe with the right. I got a purple liner for this one. I wonder if it's gonna make my lips. Okay, so this is Bubblegum Bae. It's doable, right? It's doable. Okay. And see, it's already, my lip is kind of pink. So this one is Mocha Me Crazy. Let's see what this one looks like. I definitely like this one. In the words of Keith Lee, for show you right. Yeah, I like that one. I like that one. Okay, the next one, Hall of Fame. I know this is gonna look crazy without a liner. Yeah, my lips feel so plump. My lips feel so plump. Yeah, this one's not bad. It looks more pigmented on the camera than it does right here though. Okay, next one. Okay, and then the next one is Twice the Spice. This one, I would have to adjust. Doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad. And then if you stay this long, you get the bonus of the clear one. And I actually have another bonus because I bought some Fenty lip gloss. Okay, and so then the last one is this one that's clearly spicy. And this will probably be the one that I wear the most because on a day-to-day, I'm a clear lip girl. Oh yeah. Clear. Yeah. It's just clear. My tongue kind of burning though a little bit because I accidentally licked my tongue, but yeah, this is good. Okay, I only had 2 napkins in my glove box. So then the last one, I got this Fuchsia Flex. It's a gloss bomb by Fenty Beauty. Let's try that one. Let's try it. I swatched it in another store, but they didn't have any more. But let me swatch it for you, and then we'll put it on. I just like how, can you see? Can you see the sparkle in that? Can you see it? I'm gonna show you the sparkle. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh. And you know what? I don't know. I might be wrong, but I feel like the gloss bomb also plumps your lip because I have the hot chocolate one, and my lips be stinging. Okay. I like that a lot. Oops, kind of see my. Okay, I like that a lot. Like it a lot. Yeah, this is actually plumping something because my lips are stinging right now. But I like this one. I'm gonna keep this one on. I'm gonna keep this one on. So these, I like all 4 of these. All 4 of them. But I also got the fat oil the other day. I might have to swatch those for you, but I like all of these. They had some more, but they're $13 a piece, and I wasn't sure if I was gonna like them, so I didn't want to get them all and then never use them. Even though Ulta, I think you can return stuff if you don't like it. I might be wrong. I might have made that shit up, but all right. If you like it, then go get it. Okay.